All right, let's dive into the world of pentesting with the LazyOwn Framework and the powerful LazyPwn Script. Today, we're going to explore how to find and exploit vulnerable binaries using this cutting-edge tool. First things first, we need to identify those weak spots. With LazyOwn, we can easily scan for vulnerable binaries and pinpoint our targets. The script's functions allow us to analyze these binaries, understand their weaknesses, and prepare for our attacks. Once we've identified our target, it's time to strike. By leveraging LazyPwn, we can exploit these vulnerabilities efficiently and effectively. The script streamlines the exploitation process, making it easier for us to breach the system and gain access. As we execute our attack, we witness the power of LazyOwn in action. The results speak for themselves as we successfully exploit the vulnerable binaries and showcase the impact of our actions. It's a testament to the capabilities of this framework and the importance of staying vigilant against cyber threats. In conclusion, the LazyOwn Framework and LazyPwn Script are invaluable tools for pentesters looking to enhance their capabilities. By mastering these tools, we can better protect ourselves and our systems from potential threats. Remember, stay informed, stay proactive, and always be prepared to defend against cyber attacks. So, if you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cybersecurity and pentesting. Together, let's stay one step ahead in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity.